How to create a system restore point on Windows 11. A system restore point is a snapshot of your computer system file, registry settings and program files at a specific point in time. It can be used to restore your computer to a previous state in case of a critical system error or other issues. By creating a system restore point regularly, you can ensure that you have a backup in case something goes wrong. So, let's get started. To create a system restore point, click on the Start menu. Type Create a Restore Point in the search bar. Then click on the Create a Restore Point app that appears in the search results. Once the System Properties window is open, click on the System Protection tab. Under the System Protection settings, select the drive that you want to create a restore point for and click on the Create button. This will open a new window where you can enter a name for the restore point. Enter a descriptive name for the restore point, such as first write today's date, then write software update, and click on the Create button. This will create the restore point and save it to your computer. Once the restore point is created, you will see a confirmation message. Click on the Close button to exit the System Properties window. Done. To verify that the restore point was created successfully, go back to the System Protection tab and click on the System Restore button. This will open the System Restore wizard, where you can select the restore point you just created and restore your computer to that point if needed. That's it. By following these steps, you can create a system restore point on Windows 11 and ensure that you have a backup in case something goes wrong. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.